Hi, I'm Adam Wachtel, and this is the repair shop over at Okemo Base Lodge. We do many things such as installations of bindings for new skis. We also do testing for old skis and repairs and tune-ups. So this ski was brought to us because there was damage to the base. We had to do P-Tex repair and possibly a core shot. I dripped the P-Tex in and pressed it with a hard metal device to cool down to base temperature. While these skis cool down and the base is at the same temperature, we're going to scrape it off lightly and we go over the areas that we hit with the P-Tex. It brings it down to a shaved level that we could then use the machines to work on from there. From here, I'm going to take the skis and go through the process of your general tune-up. So with the stone cuts the pattern in itself, and then when it's pressed under, given the feed wheel, it gives an even, symmetrical layer of grooved-in material. And what that does is it creates a flow pattern for the water bubbles to feed off the bottom of the base. This is the first rough cut. The second phase to a stone grind properly is to set this to the biosymmetrical pattern, which is going to give it a cross pattern along the section of vertical lines now grooved into the ski. We are open 7 days a week. Our hours are on our website. Thank you for coming. Have a great day.